back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'm going to cook chicken wings fry with honey. I'm going to use air fryer today. If you don't have air fryer, I will show you how I cook with my cooktop as well. Before we get into the video, if you're watching my video for the first time or if you're not subscribed to Nageshwari's kitchen, please subscribe to Nageshwari's kitchen and press the notification bell symbol. You will get notified whenever I post my videos. Let's start.
Let's start to do the marination. Take a bowl, add around 2 cups of water. You can add cold water or hot water. In this, add around 15 dried red chilies. If you use cold water, you have to soak it for at least 2 hours. If you use hot water, like 30 minutes is more than enough. Drain this dried red chilies, add it to the blender that we are going to grind this. Along with this, add around handful of fresh coriander leaves. You can include the stems as well. Anyway, we are going to grind this. To this, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. The dried chilies and peppercorns, you can adjust it according to your spicy level. To this, I'm adding half a cup of water, the soaked chili water. Grind this into a fine paste. Take a big bowl. We are going to marinate 2 kilos of chicken wings. Add in the ground masala. While you're grinding, do not add too much of water. Just add half a cup of water. That's enough. Add in the masala to this big bowl. Along with this, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. To this, I'm going to squeeze in a fresh lemon juice. Here I'm taking a big lemon because it's 2 kilo. If you're using 1 kilo, so you can reduce it accordingly. So this is 1 big lemon of fresh juice. So to this recipe, lemon juice and coriander leaves and honey is more important, so that gives you nice flavor and taste to this dish. So do not skip these methods and follow the right amount of lemon juice. The aroma is really nice. Mix it gently. When you mix, while you're mixing itself, you can feel the aroma. Here I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil that you like to have. I'm using 4 teaspoons of olive oil. To this recipe, the chicken wings have the skin as well, so you don't need too much of oil because the fat from the chicken wings that gives you a lot of oil extract, so you don't need to add so much. So just a 4 teaspoon for 2 kilos, it's more than enough. To this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey, and honey gives you nice texture and taste to this dish. The caramelized texture in the chicken wings that gives you nice, colorful and tasty chicken roast. You will get that when you add honey. Mix everything, and the last one is the salt, so you can adjust it according to your taste. I'm using around 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. You can use any salt that you like. Mix everything together. It has to combine well. Then now we are going to add in the chicken wings. Here I'm using with the skin. You can, if you don't want to add the skin, you can remove it as well. If you remove the chicken skin, you have to add 2 more tablespoons of oil. Add in all the chicken wing pieces and mix it completely. So every piece has to coat really well, and I'm going to keep this overnight in the fridge. If you want to cook this in the evening for a dinner or in the evening snack, plan it. You can soak this in the morning. If you're planning for a party, this dish will be the really tastier and very quick recipe, but it's a super delicious recipe. So if you're planning for for a party, snack party or a kitty party, you can definitely add this one in your menu. It's going to be really tasty. So I'm going to keep this in the fridge for overnight. So I'm going to cook this the next day. So keep this at least 2 hours or overnight, will be really tastier. You can grill this as well. I'm going to roast today and also I'm going to cook in the pan as well. You can grill this as well, it will be really tastier. So the next day, let's open. So the it's marinated for nearly more than 8 hours. So let's start to cook. So I'm going to cook half of them in my air fryer and half of them in my non-stick pan. So to air fryer we don't need any extra oil. For non-stick pan, yes, we need 2 tablespoons of oil. So this is my air fryer, Smith Noble. I bought this in Harris Scarf. I think last year I bought this during Christmas time offer. This is around $110. This is very big air fryer. To this, I'm going to choose the roast option and I'm going to arrange my chicken wings in this roast rack. So you can set the option to roast. You can choose the option to roast and set to 180 degrees and preheat this for 10 minutes. Then you can cook this for, it will take around 20 to 30 minutes. It's cooking now in the air fryer. Now let's start to cook in the pan.
So take a pan, add around 3 tablespoons of oil and add in all the chicken wings into the pan. First cook for 3 minutes without the lid. After 3 minutes, cover it and cook for 10 more minutes and your chicken wings with honey is ready to serve. It's such a simple dish. You can serve with some salad or chips. It goes really well. Try this recipe at home. You will definitely love it.
Let's start to add in to the pan. I'm using 2 tablespoons of oil, so you can adjust it if you want more oil. We are using with skin, so we don't need to add too much of oil. So 2 tablespoon to 2 or 3 tablespoons should be fine. Place it in the pan. Keep the flame on medium. Cook this for 3 minutes without the lid. Then we will turn it to the other side and then we can cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm using here some of the sauces, that the juice from the marination. I'm using around half a cup of the marination sauce that gives you nice flavor and texture to the chicken roast. Just mix it once and then leave it. After 3 minutes you can see the one side the chicken is roasted and it looks so good. It's in golden color. It's because of honey. You will get the caramelized texture throughout the chicken wings. It looks so good as well and also it tastes so delicious. Mix it every now and then and make sure the flame is on medium, otherwise it will start to burn. One side is cooked in air fryer. Now I turned to the other side. In air fryer I have not added any oil, only the marination oil. Let's check our pan. I covered and cooked for around 10 minutes. It looks a little bit blackish in color, but it's not burnt. It's the texture because of honey. If you mix it, you will get a nice golden color roast. The skin will get golden color because of the honey that we added in. And the honey will not give you sweet taste, it gives you nice texture. It's like this. You can serve this as a starter, or you can serve it as a meal with some salad and chips. And if you want to, you can use this for barbecue as well. Just use a skewer and add two pieces in your skewer, and you can uh, roast this in barbecue as well. That tastes so good, and also it looks so appealing and appetizing. Try this recipe at home. Your kids and everyone will love it, and it will be a super hit if you use it for your party, and you can serve it to your guest as well. Isn't it looking so good? It looks so tempting. Now in air fryer it's ready as well. You can see the texture. It looks so good. Without the oil also you can get the nice flavor. My daughter is already enjoying one of the batch that I cooked already. Let's start to serve. You can arrange it in the plate. Can you see the texture? It looks so good in the air fryer as well. So you can cook with air fryer or in the pan or even barbecue. It will taste really super yummy, delicious. Try this recipe at home. You will definitely love it.
It's looking so good. Yummy and delicious chicken wings with honey fry is ready. It came out really well. One serve is already finished. This is the second serve. Tanish, taste பண்ணி எப்படி இருக்கு சொல்லு.
It's so hot. It's so good. It doesn't even taste like honey.
Yeah. Is it same like how you eat in restaurants?
Yeah. Bit more smaller. Yeah.
Yummy?
Yeah. Yeah. But it's a bit hot right now. And these are chicken.
I hope you like this video. If you do, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you on another video. Bye.